Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. I do apologize for that little bit of a hiatus. Basically what happened was the entire household got the flu, so we've been kind of under lockdown for all of that. So without further ado, here it goes. Bitcoin is sitting around 95K right now, and this move isn't just random, okay? So there's a bigger shift happening behind the scenes that most people aren't paying attention to. Michael Saylor just laid out why Bitcoin is being treated less like a speculative asset and more like a corporate treasury reserve. So his argument is actually very simple. Cash loses value over time. Bitcoin has a fixed supply. That makes a Bitcoin closer to a digital property than a trade. Okay, and why this matters at 95K. At these price levels, Bitcoin isn't moving because of retail hype anymore. It's moving because capital is repositioning. So when corporations start viewing cash as a liability and Bitcoin as a balance sheet asset, demand becomes structural and not emotional. What this means for investing, for investors, this changes the time horizon. Bitcoin isn't just about catching the next run. It's about preserving purchasing power, long-term accumulation, strategic positioning, not panic buying. That's why you're seeing institutions hold through volatility instead of reacting to it. So, and for traders, this environment is different as well. So when Bitcoin is supported by institutional demand, pullbacks tend to be bought. Volatility compresses and expands. News becomes a catalyst and not noise. This is where understanding market structure, liquidity, and macro content matters, not just indicators. So, this is the transition phase. So, Bitcoin is being reframed from a speculative bet into a financial instrument that sits alongside stocks and bonds and commodities. And that's why education matters more now than ever, okay? Because guessing doesn't work when markets mature. If you want to understand how Bitcoin, stocks, crypto, and markets actually work together, not just react to price, that's exactly what my platform teaches, because the people winning right now aren't emotional, they're prepared. Okay? And with that being said, guys, I love you guys. And I'll see you in the next one.